This is the Terra Luna room here at the Universal Orlando Resort. We've got some of the designs here, but the thing I've really got to show you, the selling point, check out this view. We've got Universal Epic Universe, and we've got the sister hotel to the Terra Luna right there. That is Stella Nova. Let's give you a full room tour.
Yeah, I told her already that you are going with a lot of show me.
So this is a 9th floor room at the Terra Luna Resort. This that you're looking at is the Stella Nova Hotel. That was the first of the 3 Universal Epic Universe hotels to open. And there is Universal Epic Universe. I'll go back and show more of that view in just a second. But here is the room. These are prime value hotels, so the pricing can fluctuate, but I have seen consistently under $200 a night for these rooms. Specifically if you're a Florida resident as well. You can get a lot cheaper if you're a Florida resident. So over here, we've got a couple spots to plug in. We've got wireless charging. We've got the alarm. We've got, of course, the remote. Our 2 beds here. You're gonna have a paper map when you first check in that'll kind of show you all the stuff downstairs and all of the branded things. They have a ton of branded things here if you're a fan of that. Speaking of which, over here, we have got our TV. We've got our kind of lounge area as well as our storage here. More branded things, more branded things, more branded things, even the pen. And then some charging as well right there. We've got our storage as well as our mini fridge and our little coffee maker. More storage in here, as well as a safe. Full body length mirror right here. And then we have got our bathroom. Here is the shower, and once again, more branded stuff, if that's what you'd like. The shower is very, very tall. To best explain, I am 6'2". Sometimes this is a problem for me in hotels, not a problem here. Same thing as the Stella Nova. If you have seen the Stella Nova, these are going to be very, very similar. There's going to be small design changes, but overall the layout and everything is almost exactly the same. So, oh look, we have a bird. Hello. Goodbye. But that's Epic Universe. This is the bed, and if you are sitting on the bed, that is your view.